Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope all of you are fit and fine at your place. So today we are going to discuss about the rest of the kinds of the pronouns. Yesterday we have discussed about the personal and possessive pronouns. Apart from that, we will also try to explain the difference between the possessive pronoun and possessive adjective in this video. So first of all, let's understand the difference between possessive adjective and possessive pronouns. Okay, now let's take one example here. If I say, okay, this is my book. Okay, now this is one sentence, and then I have this book is mine. So I have two sentences here. This is my book, and then this book is mine. Now the meaning of both the sentences are same, okay, but we need to understand that this word which shows possession here, this is a possessive adjective. Why it is a possessive adjective? Because it is used before the noun. So book is a noun, it is used before the noun, so it acts as a possessive adjective. Okay, and same way here I have this sentence, this book is mine. Now here mine is used in the end of the sentence. We don't see any noun here before mine or after mine word, so this word will act as a possessive pronoun. Okay, so all these pronouns are used alone. These take the place of the noun, but they are not used with the noun. Okay, so these words will act as possessive pronouns, and mostly these are used in the end of the sentence. For example, if I say that car is yours, okay, so yours is in the end, so this is possessive pronoun. And if I will say here this is your car, okay, now here we have used this noun in the end and your word is used before the noun, so this your word is describing the car here. It's telling us that whose car is this? Your. Meaning is same in all these sentences. The only difference is that here these possessive words are used before the noun. When they are used before the noun, they become adjectives, and when they are used in the end of the sentence, they become pronouns. Okay, so I hope the difference between possessive adjective and possessive pronoun is clear to you. Now let's move to the next part of the pronouns. Next kind which we have to discuss is the demonstrative pronouns. So demonstrative pronouns are the words which are used to point out an object or objects to which they refer to. They are called demonstrative pronouns, to point out at the things. Okay, if we want to indicate at something, some noun, some person, some place or thing, okay, if we are referring to any other person, place or a thing, so we will use these words. Which are these words? This, that, these, those. So all these are the demonstrative pronouns, and you might have done these in your previous classes also. So this and that, these are used for singular nouns. These and those are used for the plural nouns. So where do we use this? This is used for the things which are closer to us. Okay, means जो हमारे नज़दीक हैं उनको point out करने के लिए हम this use करेंगे. And जो हमारे से दूर हैं, things which are far away from us, we will use that, but those things should be one in number, means that thing is one in number, singular. For singulars we will use this and that. And if the things are plural, okay, and the nouns are plural, more in number, and they are closer to us, we will use these. And if the things are far away from us, they are not closer to us, we will use those in that case. Okay, So here let's see, this and that replace singular nouns. This represents something close by. For example, here this is very smelly, okay, and here it is, this is my house. So these are few examples given here that represent something far away. You can smell that from here. So we are indicating something which is far away from us. That is my teacher. Okay, so you can take few more example also. For example, this is my car, right? This is my car. Like I just took example while explaining possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. Now here this is the demonstrative pronoun. This is my car for the closer, means the car is closer to me. All right. And then if I say that is your car, so that is used for the car which is not near to me, which is closer, which is far away from me. Okay, so this, that for singulars, these, those for plurals. You can go through these examples here also. These represent something close by. These look amazing. These are my favorite sports. Okay, those represent something far away. Those are the painted those are painted fences, and those are farmers. Okay, so these are at distance. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. So here few exercises are given based upon demonstrative pronouns. You can try solving these. These are very easy. Like here we have to change this in singular form, like these are cows, this is a cow. Okay, like this we can do this. Now next let's come to interrogative pronouns. So interrogative means the question asking words or the question form of sentences. Now here interrogative pronouns are the pronouns that are used for asking questions. Wherever interrogative or interrogative word comes, that means asking questions. Now here we have few words. Examples are given: who, whom, whose, which, what. All these terms are used to ask the questions. For example, here if I take this example like who is your friend? Okay, so I have used who here alone. If I say whom did you give my pen? Okay, so all these are the questions and these words are the interrogative pronouns. Okay, now these points you need to remember here. Who is used for persons only, not things. Which is used for animals and things without life, means non-living things, but not for people. So who is used for persons, okay, for people, but not for the things. And which we use for animals and non-living things, but we don't use which for human beings or persons, and that can be used for both persons and things. Okay, so with the help of interrogative pronouns we can ask many questions. Like to I just asked, who is your friend? Okay, whom did you give my pen? Then which is your book? What is your name? So all these words, who, whom, which, what, all these are the interrogative pronouns. I hope it is clear to you about the interrogative pronouns. All right. So next we have the relative pronouns. Relative pronouns are also called conjunctive pronouns. Why do we call it conjunctive? Because they play the role of conjunctions here. What were conjunctions? We have discussed earlier that conjunctions are the joining words. Okay, so conjunctive pronouns, they also play the same role. They help in joining two sentences together. Okay, let's read these examples. In these also we will use the same words like who, whom, okay, which, or that is also there. ठीक है, and whose can also be used. So let's read this. This is the key I gave you. So these are two sentences. This is the key, full stop, I gave you. Okay, then we will join it together. Let's see how. This is the key which I gave you. Now for the non-living things we use which. Then the man is using a laptop. He is my uncle. Now here we have to join these two sentences together. Now here we have used a person, and how we will connect it. The man who is using a laptop is my uncle. So we have used who here. Then this is the house, Karan built it. So this is the house, one sentence, Karan built it, second sentence. So we are talking about the house here. So this is the house that Karan built. So it is joined with the word that here. That is a relative pronoun here. Okay. So in the above sentences, which refers to the key, which is used for the key. Okay. Who refers to the uncle. And that refers to the house that Karan built. Okay. So that is used for the house. Now we see the words which, who, that refer to nouns, and they are therefore called relative pronouns. And that is used for things and people. We have already discussed about this. But which is used for things only and not people. So you need to keep these points in your mind, that that word is used for things and people both, but which is used only for the non-living things, not for the people. All right, so I hope all these kinds of pronouns are clear to you. So we have discussed in this chapter about the personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, and relative pronouns. All right, so you can watch this video again and again to get a better understanding. So I will get back to you soon with my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a good day.